Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south central Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Galatia, or 8 miles west of Harrisburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, El Dorado, Shawneetown, Norris City, Galatia, Ridgeway, Equality, New Haven, Raleigh, Omaha, Broughton, Old Shawneetown, Junction, and Muddy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, and White. A tornado